good afternoon, everyone. Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper and the Painting Paper Contest. So as we're out and about, going to do some estimates, I'm picking up some paint swatches now as we're matching some paint swatches to some wallpaper work we'll be doing this week. I want to do a quick video just to kind of a little bit more of a reminder for people if you're looking to get wallpaper estimates. A couple things to keep in mind. We've done a couple blog posts on this before, but one thing to keep in mind is we can't really help you with a wallpaper estimate if you haven't picked out your wallpaper. You can pick out your wall, which is great. If it needs to get drywall work, that can all be done ahead of time. But we really need to know what kind of wallpaper you're getting before we can give you an accurate estimate for that wallpaper estimate. We don't know how big the wallpaper is, so the width will determine how much you need. The wallpaper pattern, we don't know how big the wallpaper pattern is, so the pattern itself could change how much wallpaper you need. For example, if something has a 4-foot repeat and the wallpaper roll is only 24 feet long, if you have two rolls, or if you have two drops of wallpaper, you're only going to get two pieces, if that, depending on what size crown molding, if you have that, or base molding, you may get one piece per roll, which we've had happen before too because of the size of the repeat. What kind of paper it is, if it's a self-stick, if it's being pasted, if it's pre-pasted, if it's a silk, if it's paper, if it's vinyl, how wide it is, how long it has to sit. Some of them have long soaking times. Some of them are really delicate where you can't touch them with your bare hands. You need gloves because the oils and the moisture from your hands will actually take the ink off. Which also means where you're getting it from. You can find a reputable wallpaper supply store. Here in Chicagoland area, we tell people to go JC Lick stores because they really have a great selection of wallpaper and they have some designers there also. You can get stuff from Sherwin Williams also. They don't have the designers in the store anymore. I believe you can have them come to your house with the books, but don't quote me on that because I'm not sure if they still do that. But make sure you get the wallpaper you're looking for, reputable dealer. Find out what you need as far as what you're looking for, how wide it's going to be, your repeat, how big the paper is. The more information you have about the paper, the better our estimate, more accurate our estimate can be, which we can pretty much do on the phone. We're sending us pictures, we can pretty much get it off that. But again, without having the wallpaper, I can't give you an accurate estimate. So if you're looking for wallpaper, find out what you're looking for, give us a call, we'll give you a quote, and we'll get it up for you. If you have questions about painting, wallpaper installation, cabinet refinishing, give us a call to D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.